pray?
Oh, you should pray. You're in a very, very fast Mustang. Very fast Mustang.
You have a thing here?
Ocean here?
The ocean handle? Of us.
Hey YouTube, welcome back. Thank you for watching another video of mine. In this video, I'm just going to talk about update on my car. I got a couple new parts, and I put some new wheels on the car. I'm very happy, and I just want to share the experience with my YouTube fans. I wouldn't even call them fans, but whoever watches my videos. I'm starting to gain some subscribers. I'm very happy about that. Thank you for watching, and I just wanted to tell you that I will be at the Cars and Coffee in West Deptford, New Jersey on August 25th, along with a bunch of other YouTubers. Off the top of my head, Stangmode, Incredible Hemi, JMC Rides, RT Life, and I believe that Orange GT will also be there. Come by, check out my car. You could sit in it. I will take people for a ride if I have some time. I have no problem giving a couple people rides in the car, so you could just feel how awesome it is to drive a supercharged 18 Mustang GT. So keep on watching, watch this video, and I just want to say thank you so much. Oh, focus. Oh, and by the way, come on, focus camera. And by the way, I meant to say BMR cradle lockout in the video, and I actually said B&M. I think I said B&M because in my last car I had a B&M shifter, and it's just old habits. So just want to clarify those things. Little update on what's going on with my car. I haven't raced it lately. I really haven't had the time, but I switched wheel setups. I went with the Race Stars 17 by 4.5 in the front with the Mickey Thompson Sportsmans. I went with a 17 by 9.5 in the rear with a Mickey Thompson ET Street SS, so I could drive them on the street more often. I have a set of Mickey Thompson R's, but those are going to probably just be for the track, but you can't really use them on the street. You get caught in the rain. I mean, you could use them on the street, but when you get caught in the rain, it's not fun. I brought the car down here to a construction site thinking it was going to be quiet, and my car got filthy. I literally just washed it, so no judging. But my supercharger setup, it's a Vortec V3 self-contained JT trim. It's good for about well over 800 horsepower. Running 95-pound Beachworks injectors. Car runs great, idles great. And now I want to start doing some exterior modifications. I want to do something with the grill, because I have this big front mount intercooler and you can't even see it, so the car is very sleeper. But just wanted to give a walk around, a little update on my car. I got some new G-Force Outlaw axles that arrived today. I also ordered a B&M cradle lockout kit level 2, which I will be installing that stuff hopefully this weekend if I grab some time. And that's about it. Not much going on. I really can't wait to start racing again once this weather cools down. But thank you for watching my videos. Once again, please subscribe. I'll put the link in the description below for the tires and the wheels. Thank you guys.